Dave, this is the master panel. I'm just going to do a close-up around everything. This is actually in the hallway in the condo, about 15 feet from the kitchen. And it goes down here. And this is the hallway. That's the new LVL lumber we just got for additional support. And here's the breakout of the kitchen wall, which is about to come out. Here is the plumbing that's going to be removed. And then right here is where the electrical would go for the dishwasher, and probably a plug or two. As you can see, most of this other stuff, none of it, well, that's actually some GFCI. But this wall is completely removed. See, there's not a whole lot really to do. I mean, here's the one, this is where there was the switch. And there were a couple of outlets here as well. So that gives you a good idea. Let me know if you need any other information.
It's like someone's texting.